Hello, hi. My name is Abbas. I am from Ahmedabad. Today I am in Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic for hair plantation surgery held today. Before going to about my surgery, I had know this clinic through various social media platforms and with the help of some YouTubers and Hairfree Hairgrow YouTube channel. So I am facing my baldness issue from the last 3 years when I am faced little bit of hair fall. After that, day by day, my hair was gone. Then I choose Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic is the perfect clinic for me to get back my hair because certified doctors and success rate of hair plantation is so much good, and that's why I choose this clinic. Today he is my surgery. Thank you. Right now my surgery has been completed, so I will explain how the clinic team will support me and how the process is done. Marking will be done with Kiran sir. And during that marking process, Kiran sir explained how we'll extract grafts from donor area and how we'll implant and how we'll maintain full density in your baldness area. The surgery was done very well. My surgery has been done in 2 sessions. I didn't feel any pain after first session, and the next session also I am not feeling any pain. And after the first session, doctors guided me how to live and how to take medicine, how I care myself for better results. So now after second session, I have to take some precautions how to follow for better results. Thank you.